In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the pace of your text-to-speech output using a couple of different methods. Whether you're aiming for a more deliberate, thoughtful delivery, or simply wishing to match the natural cadence of human speech, these techniques will help you achieve the perfect result. Let's start with the first method, which involves using the speed setting. This is a straightforward and effective way to alter the rhythm of your speech. First, you'll want to locate the speed slider within the voice settings panel of your text-to-speech software. This slider is your key to adjusting the rate at which the speech is delivered. By default, the speed is set to 1.0, which is considered normal speed and closely mimics the typical pace of conversational speech. If you'd like to slow things down a bit for clarity or emphasis, gently drag the slider to the left. You can adjust the range all the way down to 0.7, which will noticeably slow down the delivery. Remember, a subtle adjustment can often make a big difference, so feel free to experiment within this range to find the pace that suits your needs. Once you've set your desired speed, simply click on Generate Speech to apply these changes. The software will then produce your text at the new adjusted pace, making it more accessible or impactful, depending on your intent. Now let's explore the second method, which is to manually add pauses directly into your script. This technique gives you more granular control over the flow and rhythm of your speech. Start by identifying spots in your text where taking a slight pause would enhance understanding or add emphasis, perhaps at the end of a sentence or between key phrases. To create these pauses, you can insert multiple hyphens or periods between the words. For instance, using 3 hyphens, like so, or 3 periods, signals to the text-to-speech engine that a natural pause should be inserted there. The beauty of this method is that the more characters you insert, the longer the pause will be, allowing you to fine-tune the pacing even further. Once you've strategically placed these pauses, click on the Generate Speech button to bring your script to life with these new pacing cues. Incorporating these methods can dramatically enhance the delivery and effectiveness of your text-to-speech outputs. Whether you use them individually or in combination, these techniques ensure your content is relayed in a manner that resonates well with your audience by making it comprehensible and engaging. So go ahead and apply these strategies to achieve your desired speech results and transform the way you communicate through text-to-speech technology.